In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily change your workspace to the Adobe Illustrator layout directly within CorelDRAW. If you are a designer who is transitioning from the Adobe suite, or if you simply prefer the familiar arrangement of tools and panels from Illustrator, this feature is incredibly helpful for streamlining your creative workflow. To get started, go ahead and open up CorelDRAW on your computer. Once the application is fully loaded and ready to go, take a quick look at the top left corner of your application window just to ensure everything is properly set up. Now, we need to access the Settings menu. You can do this by pressing the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and J at the same time to open up the Options dialog box instantly. If you prefer using the mouse, you can also navigate to the top menu bar, click on Tools, then select Options, and finally click on CorelDRAW to reach the same destination. Once the Options window appears on your screen, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. You will see several categories listed there, but the one you need to focus on is labeled Workspace. Go ahead and click on the Workspace category to expand local options. In the main panel that appears, you will see a list of available workspace profiles designed for different user needs. Look through the list until you find the option labeled Adobe Illustrator. Simply select it by clicking on it once. This will tell the software to rearrange the interface to mimic the Illustrator environment as closely as possible. To finish the process and apply your changes, just go down to the bottom of the window and click the OK button. Your interface will update almost immediately.